everyone, I am Kelly Schaffner. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you have clicked on this video. Today I will be unboxing and trying on a haul from Nordstrom's rack. So I am thrilled that you have joined me. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please be certain to hit the subscribe button. And if you tap that bell, you will be notified every single time I make a video and upload it on YouTube, because I want to see you again. If you haven't figured it out, I love Nordstrom's. I love Nordstrom's rack. I love everything Nordstrom's. And the reason being is they have quality products by Nordstrom. I love a good sale though. And Nordstrom's rack is discounted Nordstrom's, but Nordstrom's rack online has a clearance section, and everything in this box is from that clearance section. So I don't know if it will be available when I upload this video, but I still want to share everything with you and encourage you, if you like the products from Nordstrom's, check out Nordstrom's rack. Let's get into this box. This is what my box looks like, and yes, they do send an invoice. I can return any of these items at my local Nordstrom's, but there's no prices on this. So I will share the prices with you. You'll see them in the try-on if you want to see the prices of everything that I received. I did get myself a pair of Converse. I'll show those to you. And everything else that I received is wrapped in plastic, so let me unwrap it and show it to you. Let's start with the shoes. I'm real excited about these shoes because I got them at such a great price. These shoes are a seasonal shoe, a Converse, just a Chuck Taylor regular shoe. I got these for $39.97. Oh, they're gigantic. These are gigantic, and look at, can you see the metallic? That is why I liked them so very much. But these are not my size. These are a men's, I'm a woman's 8. These are a men's 8 or a woman's 10. Now, that is the weirdest thing in the world. A men's size 8, a women's 10. I guess maybe that. I'm a size 8. These are too big. Oh, you know, I'm sure that's my fault, but I am so disappointed by that, because these are a no-go, and I hope I will be able to order them in my size, that they have them available, because $40 for these really cool metallic shoes is a steal. Next up, we have a top by Socialite. This is just a cotton. It feels like cotton. I'll check the fabric on it, but it's a black and ivory stripe with, see that tie on the side? This looks like a true wrap, but it isn't. This is a faux wrap top, and I guess you could probably make it as deep as you wanted. This looked amazing on the little model that modeled it. I hope it looks as good on me. So check out the stripes, how they're going downward like that. And in the back, they are the horizontal stripes, but this top I think might work really well. That top is $19.97, so I'm really excited about getting that top at such a good price. Now next up we have Love Fire, and look at this top. Now it's pretty short. It looks like a crop top, and you know why I got it. I am drawn to these bright, beautiful colors. I like the primary color. I have so many fun shoes that I could wear with this top, so I will try these with some high-rise pants and see if this works. It is $24.97. I'm excited about this top. Okay, next up, a fabulous price for these. These are cut from the cloth. These are the Mia Toothpick Ankle Skinny. These are in a dark, deep green color, and these are $29.97. Yes, $29.97 for cut from the cloth. They did have regular blue as well. I was just looking for something different. I don't have anything in this dark color, and I think this is probably a better color for me than a light olive, because I'm pretty hippie and I like to wear dark colors on my bottom half. So this is just a regular clean hem, and everything about it is pretty clean, no distressing. and the price is right on these, so hopefully these work for me. The last item I purchased in this haul is another blazer. Have you noticed lately I have been collecting blazers, and blazers are such a nice way just to change up an outfit and a very nice alternative to cardigans. So this is the one I selected. This is by Abound, and I'm hoping the length is okay. It looks a little bit short. My ideal length for a blazer would hit right about where the bend in my hip is. So let's see how that is. Check out these sleeves on this. There's a cute little ruffle on that. I don't think it will be over the top for me because I'm not real crazy about ruffles. So this is what it looks like. It is not lined, but for the price, this is only $15.98. So this is a real nice, this is a linen, maybe it's a blend, but it's a linen blazer, so super lightweight, great for summer. Let's see how it looks. You can help me decide whether this blazer earns a place in my closet. First up is Love Fire top with this little tie here. Now, there is a little peekaboo. You can see some skin right there, but I don't know that I mind it very much. Let me stand back. That light is blowing the colors out, but isn't this fabulous? Do I look like a clown? I don't know. I like this. I love the sleeves on this, and this is really a lightweight fabric, and it is short. Here's my arms raised. Can we see some skin? Yes, we do see some skin. I have to take into consideration how often I do this. You guys see me do it all the time, but when I'm outside of my house and I'm not trying clothes on, I don't normally have my hands up in the air, so that's something I have to factor into my decision on whether or not I will keep this top. I like it. I would like to keep it. This is what it looks like. I want to get up close here. It looks like gapping, but it's actually, there's some wrinkles. This is, you know, it came wrinkled, but when I stand back, I think it looks like there's gapping. This needs a good steam, that's for sure. But here's the top, and here it is close up. What do you think about it? It's kind of cool, huh? This is the printed linen blazer by Abound, and this is what it looks like. So we don't have a full-length sleeve. It's just beyond 3/4 of a sleeve. It's a little boxy, isn't it? This is what it looks like if I have it buttoned up. It's a little stiff right now too. I think it needs to be worn in, but this is how it looks if I leave it unbuttoned, which I probably will. And this would be something that I would wear with a solid colored tank, and there's so many colors in here to pick from, and guess which one I will probably pick. And I should have grabbed a yellow tee. Hold on, I'll do that right now. So what do you think? Do you like it better with the mustard colored tee? I think I do. I'm really liking this. So what do you think about that sleeve detail? The ruffle is pretty subtle, but I like the detail. I like that it just gives it a little feminine edge. And so we have this lapel here. That's kind of nice. This is what it looks like. It's not lined, but it's $15.98. I don't know. I'm really kind of liking this. I think this is a great bargain. Tell me what you think. Do I look like a clown, or is this a fun blazer? I am wearing my last two items. I can't wear the Converse, so these are the last two items that I might possibly keep, and this is the wrap shirt by Socialite. This is $19.98. So can you believe it? A top like this for under $20. This is a nice quality blouse, and it is a wrap that is adjustable. So you can keep it much, much lower if you want it, if you want a deeper V than this, but this is about as high as I can get it to go. I'm comfortable with it, but it is a plunging V-neck, but I am loving the way the stripe placement is in the front of this blouse. In the back, you can see it's horizontal. I don't mind that so much, but I do think it has a slimming effect, and the wrap is done so nicely. I think, what do you think? This is how it looks. I think this shirt is a lot of fun, and for under $20, I think it's a key thing I have is the Mia skinny jeans by Cut From The Cloth, and let me stand back so you can see the length, and they are plenty long for me. This is what they look like in the back. They have the pockets, and these are about a mid-rise. They are below my belly button, and I don't know if you can tell, the color, this dark green color, is so nice and unlike anything that I have in my closet. So these may be keepers. They do have working pockets and a coin pocket. The one thing about these is they are too large in the waist, but even though they're cut from the cloth, which is notorious for getting bigger as you wear them, they do stretch out. They feel very comfortable right now in my hips and thighs, and that's where I have trouble. So I often have to purchase pants large enough to fit well through the hips and thighs, and then I have the waistband altered. And I think these are $29.97. I think that with that savings, I should really alter the waist and get a perfect fit on these pants. What do you think about them? If you're familiar with Cut From The Cloth, you know how comfortable they are. If you have not tried the Mia skinny jeans by Cut From The Cloth, I highly recommend it. I hope that you have enjoyed this Nordstrom's rack haul as much as I have enjoyed it. So this entire box came to $139 and some change, and I have to return those gigantic Converse because they're not my size. I'll take the responsibility for ordering the wrong size. I wasn't paying attention. But that brings the total of this box to about $100 for 4 items. I got the 2 blouses, this blazer, and the dark green Cut From The Cloth Mia skinny jeans. I think that is a fabulous price for 4 items that I will love and use and wear regularly. What do you think about these items? Please let me know in the comments below. Leave your comments, and before you do that, give this video a thumbs up and hook a girlfriend up. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you for joining me once again. I'll have another video for you very soon. My next one is a special treat that I've been working on for a while, so please look for it. Please watch it. I want to celebrate with you. So, until then, blessings, blessings, blessings.